It's okay. My car is messed up anyway. Video mo?
Yep.
Okay.
I got her on video.
Okay. We got the license plate.
See, I don't know what this guy did to make this guy this mad, but at this point, he was just hurting his own car, so I don't know what this guy expected him to do.
Back up. Stop! Get his license plate.
Follow me, please. Follow me.
Get his license plate.
Follow me.
This guy's trying to kill us.
Once again, I do not know the situation or what happened before this, but this guy was obviously mad, and he ended up doing this to the car.
Oh my God!
These guys were just super mad and aggressive for no reason at all. If you watch the video, the guy or the girl recording seemed super calm about the situation even after getting the bottle thrown at her, so she can't be that wrong.
Okay. Video mo. It's okay. My car is messed up anyway. Video mo?
Yep.
Okay.
I got her on video.
Okay. We got the license plate. I don't care. Give me some money, car. I don't care.
This guy in the black car here was getting super annoying. He was just staying all up in the area, just trying to pass for no reason. He could have just passed on the other side, but when this guy brake checked him, he got super mad and did this.
See that guy trying to overtake me in the bike lane? Look, now he's up on here.
Oh my God. What? Oh, that opened.
What's wrong with this car?
There's something wrong. That's what he just did then. Oh my God, he's psycho. Are you right?
Bro backed up real quick though. I don't get what's up with all these shorties just throwing bottles around like it's nothing, bro. Like, what is going on here?
No fucking way you just did that, bro. No way. We're gonna follow her. You're gonna follow her. Come on. Oh, go. Oh shit. Oh hell no. Oh, this is crazy. Oh shit. No way.
Just like every random.
No way. Jeez, we're donkeys, bro. No way.
Go that way.
Go straight?
Yeah.
She's wild. I should let her tap me though, huh?
These guys were just trolling, man. At this point, I would have just quit if I was a girl road raging.
Oh no! She's coming after us! No way! I'm gonna hit me. Hell no.
You are something
Hell
else.
no, bro. I ain't letting her hit me. Oh, fuck! Oh, hell no. I ain't letting her hit me at all, bro. She's insane. She can't tell me to let her hit me. I got in the ditch, bro. I got in the ditch. I had to help us find this lady. She needs to pay me for my damages, bro. She's stopping again.
Oh, she is.
this
She's not
good.
done.
Look at her. Look at her. She's not done. Yo, why? Damn, I don't trust this, bro.
Go this way.
Should I go that way?
Yeah.
She's gonna follow us, bro.
But she's gonna have to do a U and all that.
You.
We're gonna be
Adios. Tell her bye. Tell her bye.
I don't know what the hell happened here or what's the situation, but blue-haired girl was not having it, bro. She was just smashing everything in her way. I don't know what the hell this guy was doing, bro. He's just acting all crazy, hitting every single thing in his way, and then after all that, he just ends up doing this to the car, and thankfully he was alright, but come on now, get a grip.
What happened? What? In there? What the? How did he do that?
I don't know what happened here, but the old guy was really mad. Every time this guy said anything about him being old, he'd get even angrier, bro.
My car, but now he want to pull off. Don't pull off.
You got a problem? I'm talking to you.
Man, take your old ass on some motherfucking
Fuck you.
way. Fuck you. Die some motherfucking way, bitch.
Fuck you, bitch.
Go on some motherfucking way, you old ignorant ass.
Fuck you.
Take your ass on somewhere. I'm recording this.
You think I
bother me.
care?
What is you
You
bothering
think
me
I
for?
fucking care?
What is your problem? What is your
What's
problem?
your problem?
You pulling up on me. Old motherfucker, now take your old
Fuck
ass
you,
on.
motherfucker.
Go ahead, man. Go ahead and enjoy your day while you got the rest of your day. Instead of being so fucking evil. Look at you. You despicable. You call yourself a fucking human? You
Fuck
call
you.
yourself a
Hey,
fucking human?
what?